with PLC technology, you are using one of the assets that are owned by the utility. So if you use your power lines, electrical power lines, also for the purpose of conducting and driving telecommunications, that is a perfect use, and it's giving you a value added or another value to your assets. So that's a clear. I mean, there are another things derived from that, coming like a better control of your telecommunication services and so on and so forth. But it doesn't mean that PLC will be the only technology. PLC will be complemented with another technology. But I mean, any utility cannot ignore to use their assets for driving good and perfect telecommunications.
When we started discussing power line communication about 2 decades ago, there have been voices questioning whether this ever will be successful. And now we are here today, and we have millions of nodes installed. So there are several aspects to it, I would say. One aspect is the technology itself. So there have been references in the field, hundreds of millions of nodes installed in the field. The technology has proven to be stable, to be robust in the communication. It is installed in a very noisy environment, so it's proven in the field, that's it. And it's a technology that is secure to transmit data over an existing infrastructure. Obviously, the second aspect to it is cost, the economy of it. So one benefit is that there is no vendor lock-in. It means the technology is interoperable, there are interoperability tests, multiple vendors on all levels that can offer the same technology to the market. And this by its own is a really big benefit. And then that's the cost itself, right? It's cheap, it's affordable to be used in smart metering applications, but not only, but also in other applications, right? And then there's the infrastructure aspect to it. So there is an existing infrastructure at all levels, be it at software, which is important for the development phase, be it on hardware, so suppliers are interchangeable, be it on chip level, be it on end product level. And during all phases, there are existing tools for the evaluation, for the installation, to prove the quality. So it's all existing, and this is all due to the fact that we are talking about an open standards which are established in the market and which have been proven over all these years in the market.
PRIME Hybrid is a new opportunity for the metering market. Traditionally, PLC was used for electricity meter, but now with the hybrid system, we have the opportunity to use in gas meter and water meter. Additional to that, in the outdoor market, we can use in other applications. Typical case is the smart city. In the smart city, we can use the PLC and hybrid system to connect a lot of sensors, to emit sensor traffic information, panel information in the bus station, street lighting control, a lot of devices in the indoor area. And in indoor area also, we have customers that are using PRIME Hybrid to connect in an easy way security system, panel information in large building, in airport, in public facility in an easy way. For all of that, Microchip provides a full platform for that. We are introducing this year the PIC SCS NT. This is a M4 32-bit microprocessor and also a full transceiver with the 460 that provides full support for all this technology, and also the RT215 for the RF side of the hybrid solution.